Are you looking for a new way to transform those leftovers into something absolutely amazing? Well, stick around. I'm going to show you what I do with a bowl of leftover chili. My name is Sandy, and welcome to my kitchen. I added some salt to a small pot of boiling water, and then I added my spaghetti in. You can use any type of pasta you'd like to use. You can use the elbow macaroni, the penne, or just plain noodles. Today I'm using spaghetti. Cook the thin spaghetti for about 7 minutes, and I'm going to add it back to my pot. I'm just going to add the leftover chili right in there just to heat it through just a little bit. And I'm going to give it a good mixing around. I'm going to spray my pan with a little bit of non-stick cooking spray. I'm going to dump it right in the bowl there, or in your baking dish. And then just top it with cheese. You can use any type of cheese. I am using sharp cheddar today. And place it in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Bon appetit. For more ways to use leftovers, tips and tricks in the kitchen, or just some fabulous recipes, make sure that you follow me here on my channel, In the Kitchen with Sandy. I'm also on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. You know I love you guys very much. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.